Hello guys, welcome back. Going to show you here how to start to remove constraints in Figma. This is what you're gonna do is about start with certain moment about start to understand what you're gonna do, how to be satisfied with the progress, that you still be really satisfied with the moment. We can start to see over here with the very important levels that is still to be really important to deal with what we're gonna see soon as possible because it is really everything important to deal with that. And what you're gonna do is about select the object. What you're gonna do after you select the object, as you can see over here, you can open constraints panel. So once you open the constraints panel, you can actually see right here the plugin that may be about that auto constraints. You can use it and then start to run it and selection frame on group or ignore any mode that you want. That's actually how you started to remove it and also remove the constraint that is actually going on with that.